May. May coincides with step 5, confession, if you will, representing integrity after having the courage to face the truth about ourselves in order to move past our negatives and change for the better. Forward progress for what we thought was a no-win proposition. Hopefully, after doing this work, we are feeling a part of society today, no longer feeling separate from. We're going to start with the Serenity Prayer, and then we'll go into the daily reflections. If you or someone you know are questioning yourselves about whether or not you're an alcoholic or whether they are an alcoholic or drug addict, reach out. We can help you. You don't have to do it alone. God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. Grant me patience with the struggles that take time, and appreciation for all that I have, tolerance of those with different struggles, and the strength to get up and try again, one day at a time. No God, no peace. May 15th. It is plain that a life which includes deep resentment leads only to futility and unhappiness. But with the alcoholic, whose hope is the maintenance and growth of a spiritual experience, this business of resentment is infinitely grave. Alcoholics Anonymous, page 66. No God, no peace. No God, no peace. To the precise extent that we permit these, do we squander the hours that might have been worthwhile. We found that it is fatal, for when harboring such feelings, we shut ourselves off from the sunlight of the Spirit. The insanity of alcohol returns, and we drink again. And with us, to drink is to die. If we were to live, we had to be free of anger. The grouch and the brainstorm were not for us. They may be the dubious luxury of normal men, but for alcoholics, these things are poison. We talk about resentments being the number one offender because to live in anger and hate keep us from love, and that keeps us from connecting or staying connected to our higher power. Living in anger is selfish. We feel we are justified to resent someone and to disparage them. There is lack of love there, and all we are doing is killing ourselves. We learn to forgive, to let go, and to let God. Putting God first, then others, then ourselves, in that order, is the sensible way to live. He can, we can't. We will let him drive the bus. When we practice our faith in our daily living, the old problems with people don't matter any longer, and the slippery slope of taking our will back, that leads to a drink, ceases to be a temptation. We are at peace and ease in all our affairs. We find peace by being of service to others. By helping others, we shift the focus away from ourselves and our problems and onto the needs of others. This is a powerful tool for spiritual growth and can help us to connect with our higher power in a deeper way. Challenging situations do appear in our lives from time to time, but we are spiritually fit. We feel the presence of our Creator, and we are confident all is well. So, we are able to perform well no matter what happens. We ceased fighting anything or anyone, even alcohol, for sanity has been returned. We are not in the results business. We are delighted to be agents of His and use our wherewithal to understand His vision for us. When we unselfishly look to improve every interaction in our days, we are on the right path. We practice forgiveness. Forgiveness does not mean that we condone or excuse the behavior of those who have wronged us. It simply means that we are willing to release our anger and bitterness and move on with our lives. No God, no peace. May 15th. It is plain that a life which includes deep resentment leads only to futility and unhappiness. But with the alcoholic, whose hope is the maintenance and growth of a spiritual experience, this business of resentment is infinitely grave. Alcoholics Anonymous, page 66. No God, no peace. No God, no peace. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.